Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dipen from Pune. I'm back at Autologue with another video, and this time it's the Java 42 that they have modified extensively for an event in Bangalore. So I'll take a small walk around of the complete changes that they've done. I'll show you all the changes that they've done. New handlebar, new silencer, everything I'll show. But before we move ahead, I'd like you guys to please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon too for all notifications from my side for all the new videos that I upload, so you don't miss all the update from my side. So let's begin. So it's almost been a week that they've taken a week to modify all these changes that they've done. Okay. Right from the front fender to rear fender, the silencer has been changed, the headlight has been changed, the meter is the same, but the handlebar is new, radiator grill, everything is the same, bash plate is the same. So let me take some close-ups and show you the things in detail. First thing is the new paint scheme with this white, black and yellow stripes. This looks gorgeous. The paint is maroonish red, not pure red, not pure maroon, and in daylight it looks completely different. I have taken certain snaps which I'll add at the end of the video, so do watch till the end. The rear fender has been cut off, okay, and this is now how it looks. The bike is called Scrambler 42. Okay, a lot of customization has been done. This is the front fender, flying mudguard, what you call in usual language. Okay, the rims are same, spokes are same, disc and all is same, but the tire has been shifted to a button one, both at the front and rear. Okay, at rear there's a Timson, and at front, which is the one I forgot. Let me turn on the light a bit. Which is the front tire? It's a Ralco. Okay, so these are the two changes to the tires, mudguards, fenders and all. Then we come to the handlebar. This is a traditional handlebar which we used to use on Shoguns, etc. I mean, they used to be wider, but this is a bit narrower based on the bike profile. Okay, there's a crossbar and there's a chin protector here with customized Autologue logo and Java logo up front. Okay, switch gear is the same, grip is the same. Levers have been moved to Moxie. Okay, both the levers have been shifted to Moxie. Headlight has been taken away. There's a custom headlight holder with a Scrambler 42 custom logo. Here's the Autologue logo. Meter is the same from the stock Java bike. Okay. LED light has been added up front. Indicators on the front as well as at the rear have been taken off. Okay. Tail light, they put a custom tail light. Okay. This has both the brake light as well as the parking light. There are no mods to the engine, but a custom silencer has been added to give it a scrambler look. The silencers are dual, both the sides they have the same silencers. I'll add a note of the silencer, maybe let me add it now itself. So the bike is in neutral. So that's the parking light working, and you heard the exhaust note, and this is the brake light. Okay. The bike gets a custom paint also on the radiator covers, the covers on the left and right, and the bash plate also gets a black and yellow dual paint job. Okay, it's matte black and yellow. This is how it looks from the other side. This is a pretty neat touch. This yellow touch and this yellow touch, it's pretty neat. They've also added red colored shock absorber covers, the front fork covers or the front fork tube covers. This is also a nice touch, and if you go off-roading and all, slush and all, mud would get stuck there. But now, because of these protectors, all the mud and everything remains outside. These side panels have been changed and get a custom 42 logo in laser cut format. Okay, this is how it looks. It's on both the sides. I can't take a clear video because the silencer is in between, but it looks beautiful. The overall bike in red, in the maroon red yellow combination, looks really nice. This custom yellow paint over here on this cover also is a good touch, and the chain cover also, the stock one goes off and this gets an anodized red color one. It's an aluminum one with anodized red color, goes all the way inside. The seat is almost stock, not much changes have been done internally, just I guess the foams has been readjusted and tapered a bit at the rear, and new cover is given to it, okay, to give it the Scrambler look, to get a good grip while sitting also. Okay, and we also have the custom tank pads from Autologue. Okay, it gets a custom badge here, Scrambler 42. It's similar to what is here. The custom silencer gets a heat shield over here, a wrap over here on both the sides, one on this side and another one on this side, so that you don't burn up your legs. Okay. And the silencer gets a custom Scrambler 42 name along with the Jawa logo, wings. I suppose these are called wings, I'm not sure if they aren't. So that's a laser cut stuff that they put there. The FI and air intake cowl or the cover also gets a custom paint job, and this is there on both the sides of the bike, of the tank. This side too.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust and reason frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so. When there's no hope loving for you, who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust and reason frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you.
feel uninvited. Left home in West LA, I'm not excited. So uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble,